How to see how long you've used an app on iPhone. This will show you how to check how long you've used apps on your iOS device, whether that be iPad or iPhone. So first of all, you're going to want to go to the settings menu. Here you'll want to scroll down until you get to the third section that says screen time. Go ahead and click on screen time. Then there at the top you'll see it says daily average. Below that it says see all app and website activity. You want to click on that, and there you'll be able to see at the bottom like your most used apps. You'll be able to see how long in hours and minutes you've used each of them for like a certain period of time. You can click week or day, and also you can click the specific hour and you'll see like how long and the percentage of time used on each hour on each of the different apps. There you can get into the specifics. You can see like your different patterns of when you use Instagram, etc., all within this menu here. So if that did help you out, leave a like on the video and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.